a soldier, fighting every second of the day for your dreams, girl. I'll be your hover. You could be my destiny's child on a scene, girl. So don't stress and don't cry. What we don't need